Kids, I have here super yummy cake. Okay, you want some cake? Yes, you want some cake? Yes, okay. But wait. It's 4:55 p.m. Okay? You have to wait for 15 minutes before you can eat it. Okay? Do not touch. Do not taste. Just look. Okay? Just look.
Don't touch the plant.
Yes, do not touch. Wait for my signal if you can eat it. Okay? Okay. Timer starts now. While waiting, he's trying to meditate. After 5 minutes,
Kakay, don't touch, ha? Oh, sabi ni Kakay, I touch plato. Oh, sabi ni plato. No! No!
after 10 minutes, did you touch it? Did you taste it? Are you sure? How about Kakay?
Tulog na nga ako gusto na.
Oh. What did you do while waiting? What did you do while waiting? Wait for 15 minutes.
Kakay's like to taste it.
But she touched it?
No?
Ah, good job.
Gusto na to touch.
Okay. What are you doing while waiting?
Ay, two. Kasi tulog na nga ako.
Tulog ka?
Tulog
Sleep ka?
No.
Ah, okay. Let's wait for another 5 minutes, okay? Then you'll have your reward. Yes, okay. KZER is making a yoga while waiting for another 5 minutes. Good job, KZER. Oh no. They're fighting over na because Kakay wants to touch it na. Then KZER is trying to stop her. Stop fighting. Okay. After 15 minutes. Oh, good job. Okay, you can eat it now. Oh, ito isa din makaintay. Oh, yun na, you can eat it now. How does it taste?
Good.
Good job.